Hello guys, my name is Deepak and you're watching my show The Tough Heart IG Deep, and here I share my quotes and thoughts about life. And third is be a mirror, absorb everything around you and still remain the same. And fourth is slow success build character, fast success build ego. And fifth is the only thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. And seventh is focus on making yourself better, not thinking you are better. This is thinking. Eighth is never depend on someone. Rise above your limit. Think outside the box. If you never try, then you never know. Make smart choices in life. Winners train, losers complain. Your hands are your tools. Now get to work. And 15th is you can if you think you can. Think positive. 17th is never live, never well, network well, and exercise daily. Eat healthy, work hard, stay strong, and build faith, worry less, read more, be happy, volunteer freely, relax often, love always, live forever, be kind, smile often, stay loyal, and keep honest, never stop, worry less, and build faith, love always. And here is and okay then. So here my favorite parts about life is love always. Always love yourself, so you always believe in changes, and your mind is free from thoughts, negative thoughts, so you can think about new thing, and you can do more thing about life and in your life. So yeah, love yourself more, worry less, worry less. If you learn how to think about something and situation, and win ourselves, our body, our mental health, so you can do very less in your life. Exercise daily is important. This is a part of life, important part of life and time, where you can set your body and set your mind, and then you can see what you are in your eyes and a mind, and you can work more easily and flexibility with this thing is important. Flexible thinking is important in life. So here I add this point, flexible thoughts is important. Flexible thoughts is important. Yeah, I believe in flexible thoughts and flexible works, flexible hand, what you do, everything is important in life. Never stop yourself. Never ever stop yourself for do anything or take risk. Whenever you not take risk, you never learn what you have to learn more things. So this is important. Worry less in your life and do your best. And another thing is, be kind. Be kind is important. Every person need to check out and note this. Be kind in your life and you learn more things in your life. How to speak, how to conversation with other person, and how to talk with person is important. That you need to be a kind in your life. So here I say kind point is really important in your life. Yeah. Be happy, 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 happy. Be happy in your life and you will believe that then this life is so beautiful, and you will feel that life has something magic. This is magic, this is magic, this is magic. So you learn that you have magic and you believe in something more in your life, and you walk in your journey like beautiful way with beautiful stars in night. So this is important. Read more. If you want to, if you want something new, then read more. So when you read, you learn something new, and you believe that yes, I can do anything with my confidence and my courage and my strong willpower. So this is important that we need to read more and be strong. And another one is eat healthy. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Be healthy in your life. This is important part of your life. Healthy life is important, and always drink water and be positive in life, and then you need to search where you are. So eat healthy, don't be confused in life and worry about life. So you need to be a healthy life and eat healthy food and exercise with this. So if you have time, then another is healthy life is important. Stay loyal in your life. Where this life is going is important to see where is your life going, and think that, and another thing that you have everything to everything to everything you have to done is beautiful. And another one is love always. You need to love always yourself, always care about your life and body, and keep cleaning your body. And you need to forever thinking is important, that you need to always positive. This is always thought is You need to positive in your life always forever. And another one is build faith. Build faith is coming from your inside and your work. If you work daily by consistency, by your hand, your legs, your mind, brain with this, then you will feel that you build your faith in your life when you honest and be strong, be careful and strong, careful, and your eyes on in your aim, then you feel that yes, I can do this by my hand and by my heart. So this is important to say, yes, you need to build faith. And my another thing is here, build faith, very less, never stop. Never need to stop yourself. Just break all the rules, break all the limits, just go and break all the things. Just go, never stop yourself. This is the need, you need to make this thing. So you go and you make your pride, and pride important in your life. So here I add, make pride. Make pride yours. Is this is important to make pride in your life. So yeah, making pride is important in life. So when your journey is start from where you are, where you want to start, where then you start with your pride, and with pride you go and fight with another things, all the things, and you make yourself another weight of another weight of challenges challenges, and you face new challenges and you compete with this. So you feel very very best in your heart. So this is the thing is making pride. Never depend on others. If you depend on others, you always wait for them and you never done anything. So where you are, where you stand, where you sit, just get up and go for it. And you feel get up and don't depend on others. Just go and face everything, every challenges without any help. Whenever you not depend on ourselves, you never learn anything. So just go and face and fight for it. And another, rise above your limit. Think outside the box. This is the box, and you need to think outside the box, break the box, live and challenge your new limits and face new things. So very very confident. Need this, stay strong and think outside the box. Always read new things and learn new challenges, new phase of life, new learn things, new learn these things, and this is important. If you never try, then you never know. If you don't take risk, you never learn what you want in your life. If you never try, you never learn these things. So here I want to say, you take some risk. If possible, you want to take risk, then you will find yourself, and you learn this, and you learn this thing, that you need to try this and know and learn what is new things. When you break all the limits, all the rules, just go and just break all the things. Your hands are tools. Now get to work. This is your hands, and you need to work on this. You need to work on this, and go for your work. Your hand, if you have your hand and control in your hand, then your and control on your hand, then 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 you easily go for easily do your work. If your hand has magic, then if your hand has magic, then you do everything in your life, and control is important in your hand. So please do your best, and do your anything, what you want, what your wills. Just go and depend on not others. Just go and do your best. mm, you can, if you think you can do anything. If you think you can, this is important. This is the mentality of your life, that if you think that you can do this by your hand, then you can do anything in your life. So just set your limit, set your box, and you can do anything in your life. Make smart choices in life. Be careful what you choose in your life. So here I said, if you have smart choices in your life, then you can do anything in your life. Just this is like control in your hands and your eyes. So if you choose smart choices, then you can do anything in your life. Winners train, losers complain. Winners, I am talking about winners who win. Winners, I'm talking about winners daily work, daily do their best in your life. And who complained, they only think how to do, where to do, and how it happened. So yeah, winners are trained, and losers are complaints. So don't complain, just get up and do your best in your life, and just go for it. And just think that I train every day, every second, every moment I train. And losers, don't be loser in life. Just this negativity, just go away far. Just fuck off. Just go for it. Just go away this thoughts, this far away, just far away these thoughts that he complains. Don't complain with this. Just do your best, do your work, and don't think negative things. You can't do this. So just go and build this thing that you can do anything. And another one is make smart choices in life. if you have if you learn that what is what is important in your life, then you learn how to choose your choices. This comes from experience. I at this point make experience make choices, give help for make choices. I add this I add this point that always always do your best and learn from your mistakes. So when you have experience, then you can make smart choices in your life. And another things is flexible thoughts is important. Flexibility is important in your life. If your thoughts is flexible, then you can do anything with your time. So yeah, if you have flexibility in your life, in your thoughts, in your mentality, so yeah, you can do anything in your life. And make pride, yeah, if you done with your thoughts and with your mind, with your mentality, and your speak what you speak, so yeah, your mentality very strong in your life. Keep honest, always honest with your work. If you work done by your every guts every guts, so yeah, what you need, you get that by your heart, by your guts, by your brain. These three things is important in your life. So yeah, if you do this with these three things, so yeah, you can do anything in your life. Rise above your limit. Yeah, rise above. If you break all the limits and you sit on the chair and said, yes, I break all the limits and I'll break all the rules, then think once more that I break my limits. This seriously, you go, you stand and go and work one more time and break one more limits in your life. So yeah, another things is relax often. If you do your best and you are doing one more thing continuously, some points where we go for stress. So for this this stress, fight with this, you need to fight another time, fight another way. So sometimes relax is important in your life. Some little relax is important to think where you are, where you do this. So yeah, relax is important in your life. So here I end this, and okay, then see you later.